To view a plan, click on the selection on the left side panel. Information and links regarding the specific plan are provided at the top. An indication at the top right will show not enrolled or enrolled along with the monthly amount if applicable. Plan details allow you to enroll in or remove coverage. On most plan selections, there is an information icon which provides additional information for that plan. For more information about this plan, click on the icon. You can review the information as well as click on the links, which will open in a new browser window. Click on the icon to return to the plan enrollment screen. If any changes are made to a plan, you must click on the Save button at the bottom right of the screen. This is very important. If you do not save your changes within each plan, it will not update your benefit selection for the next calendar year. To add coverage, select an option from the drop-down menu. The employee monthly cost for this plan and coverage will appear. Click on the Save button at the bottom right of the screen. A success message will appear indicating your changes have been saved. Click on Close. It is now shown that you are enrolled in the plan from both the left side panel as well as within the plan page. You can remove coverage from any plan. To remove coverage, click on the Plan Option drop-down menu and select No Coverage. Click on the Save button at the bottom right of the screen. A success message will appear indicating your changes have been saved. Click on Close. Click on another plan option to continue the enrollment process. Please refer to the Firefly Benefits Enrollment Help documentation for additional information. Thank you for watching.